Okay, just a little more talk on how we're going to create surveys using Google Forms. And this is how I actually create a lot of your guys' quizzes too. So if I just go down to create, once again, forms, once I'm on my Google Drive, okay, I just want to talk about different things we can create with it. And I'm going to go over this in the front of the classroom, but this is just a resource that you can look back at. So first I'm going to title this School Lunch Survey. Okay. Now, there's different types of questions that they're going to have, and different ways you're going to get those answered. For instance, if I have a multiple choice question, so let me go look at the page that I have for you guys. Update. Okay. And I go look at the school survey here. I told you can find your questions right here on the school survey questions. Okay. Going down from there. For instance, I find the questions, sample lunch survey. So this is a multiple choice question, okay? With this, we're going to leave the E off, so we'll just go A, B, C, and D. So all I would do is copy this question, take it back. All right, remember where I was at. Okay. Might put a dot in there so make sure it looks good. Okay, it's multiple choice, so I'm going to go back. To here, okay, and copy these. I'm going to leave anything that says other, please describe other out, just for the simplicity of making this time around. Alright, I can copy and paste that right into there. So this assignment shouldn't take you very long once you figure out what you're doing with the surveys. I like to put a period behind those just so it looks a little nicer. Alright, and then that's an example of a multiple choice question. Going back though, there are some questions that ask you, if you've eaten in the cafeteria at least once this year, list 3 words you would describe the usage of the food. Okay? So this one's going to be okay, actually, so get the 3 with that. This one's going to ask you to have a different response. So hit done. Okay, go down to here, and I can have a paragraph text with this. Hit done, and here's what they'll get. So they'll be able to write their answer in there after they get done taking the survey. Okay? This one right here is going to be a multiple choice one again. You might have to copy and paste each section separately. Okay? What is the best food you've eaten in the cafeteria this year? Okay? This is question 6, so I'll show you an example. This would be a short answer instead of a paragraph response. So I would go here with just a text answer. Okay? Done. Okay, so you can see that. Also, I'm going to start this off, and I'll show you this real quick. If you want them to put their name, first name, okay, last name. Okay, that's the way we would do that. You would use, once again, the text answer, but you wouldn't use the paragraph one. And you can move those. I actually don't want you to put the names on here today, though, because this is a survey, and usually surveys are anonymous. Okay, so looking down, you can see all the questions, and you should be able to figure out how you are going to put those on there.